production. Okay, hey everybody. So today we have, hey Lori, can we get a wave? Hi Lori. Hi Faith, can we get a wave? Hey Catherine, can we get a wave? Cool. So today, our teen volunteers, the Junior Friends, are pretty much cleaning up the dead foliage or dead leaves in the garden. We're in August now, so it's late summer, so our plants are getting older. And it's pretty good, even with your gardens at home, just to do a cleanup, because you're gonna have leaves that die, and it just keeps it looking pretty. Plus it also helps with production, because if you have dying leaves, you want your plants to use their energy to produce things like new flowers, to hopefully get some more fruit or more flowers. And if you take off the dying ones, that will take away energy that's being wasted on those. So we'll tune back in a few minutes when they move on to their next task. All right, Faith, you're going to top it. You're going to go over to, both of these have, I hope I'm right. You're going to cut this, see, right here, where my finger is.
And if this doesn't work, would the plants die?
They won't die. It's just that, they'll still produce, but our experiment didn't work. So we'll see. Let's hope. Keep hope alive. Okra update. We're getting a flower. So the okra it's doing well. Yay. And so is our Jamaican sorrel. Yes. 1, 2, and there's one back there. They love direct sunlight and heat. Yay. Okay, so today we're going to do a little experiment. This is one of our bell pepper plants. Now, I've seen other gardeners, they do something called topping, where they cut off the top of the plant as a way to get the bottom part to bush out and to produce more fruit. So we're going to experiment, and hopefully that works for us. So Catherine, you see right here, you're going to cut it right there. You see where my hand is?
So right here?
Let me see. Yep. All right, pass it to Faith.
Wait, did the pepper ever grow?
It did. Actually, we harvested it on, what's today? Friday? On Tuesday.
So it got wider?
It didn't get wider, but it did get longer. So I'm still wondering if it's truly a bell pepper.
Yeah, I don't think so, because Axel, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, her grandpa. I think I should have started with the back and then came to the front.
It's not too late.
Let's do the back so we risk getting stuck in.
All right, so we have allegedly a tropical storm coming, so we tightened up the sunflowers and the stakes with the rope. So hopefully, if this storm does hit us, they won't snap. Right now, our volunteers are fertilizing their crops. And girls, don't forget the potted plants over here. You're going to fertilize them too. So they're doing a great job.
This smells horrible.
But you're smiling with your eyes.